This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, pointers. Actually, pointers is nothing but address of a location. Like we have address of our home, address of office, address of college, address of school. Pointer also nothing but it is a address. Okay, a pointer is a variable that represents the location of a data item or any variable. Okay, such as a variable or an array element. We will discuss what is array element in our arrays topic. Okay, today it's a pointer. A pointer is a variable that represents the location of a, we can call it a variable. For example, if you say int x, okay, this x value stores in some address. This x value stores in address. That address is nothing but pointer. Okay, that address is nothing but pointer. Okay, whenever you enter any value by using scanf, okay, that stores in some address. That address is called pointer here. Okay, like we have our house address, house number 8 dash 1 dash 4 oblique a oblique 7 oblique, like that. That is the address. Same like that, a variable also has a some address. Okay, in your home address who are saying we only. Okay, same like that. Okay, int x, if you declare int x, it means that x value stores in some address which is in hexadecimal value. Okay, address is in the hexadecimal value. Okay, hexadecimal means 10 digits, 0 to 9 and a to a b c d e f. Okay, so that is nothing but address of a variable. Okay, for example, pa is a pointer or address where it stores x value. Okay, x is a variable, but address of x is a in hexadecimal which is stored in the pointer. Okay, okay, here this new variable, which is nothing but pa, is called a pointer to a variable. Okay, so this pa is called pointer to a variable. Okay, or you can say it is a x. Okay, since it points to the locations where x is stored in memory. Okay, since it points the location where x is stored. That's why it is called pointer. That's why it is called pointer. This PA, it points out the location of x. It points out the location of x. That's why it is called pointer. Okay. Our house address also pointer. It points out where we locate. Got it? Okay, location. We say share your location, right? It means our address, our house address. It means it points out where we are staying, where we are living. Okay, so that is nothing but pointers. Every variable, whether it is a float value or integer or character or string, whatever you entered, those values stored in the pointers only, means address of the locations. Got it? Next one, declaring a pointer. How can you declare? Okay, how can we can declare the declaring a pointer, okay, or pointer variable? Simple, nothing but same like our normal variables, data type and variable name. Here data type space asterisk, okay, pointer name. In simple variables we are using data type space variable name, but if you want to declare a pointer, it is data type space star and pointer name. Okay, for example, int p, p then a pointer. Okay, okay, like this. It's a pointer declaration. Okay, it is nothing but pointer declaration. If you want to declare any pointer, you should use this data type space, okay, and star and pointer name. Next, initializing of a pointer, or we can call it as a pointer variable also. Pointer or pointer variable. Okay, initializing of a pointer variable. Pointer name is equal to address of x. Address of x. Now it is nothing but pointer initialization. Pointer initialization. But if you want to declare a pointer, this is the way. Okay. If you want to initialize means in that address which variable you want to store, then you should write down like this. Pointer name is equal to, okay, here I declare pointer p. Okay, you can write down p is equal to address of x. It means now this x value stores in this pointer, okay, which is nothing but address. Okay, you got it. This is the simple example, pointer initialization. Now you can write one program. Okay, write a program to print, okay, to print values of pointers and variables. Okay, write a program to print values of pointers and pointer variable. Okay, see here, include stdio.h void main int x, okay, comma star p. Okay, what is star p? Here you see declaration, data type and star pointer name. Here what is the pointer name? P. You can use anyone, p1, p2, p3, xyz, anything. Okay, so this is nothing but declaration of the pointer. This is nothing but declaration of the pointer. Okay, now I want to assign x value 10. I want to assign x value is 10. Okay, and next, pointer initialization. How can we initialize pointer? Okay, pointer name is equal to address of x. Pointer name is equal to address of x. Okay, now write down p. In p, which value you want to store? I want to store x value. I want to store x value. I want to store x value. So see here, what is the x value here? 10. What is the p value? The address of x. Both are different. You and your home address is different, right? You and your home address both are different. Okay, Raja. Okay. Here, if you see, okay, you are staying in your home. Your home address may be 8 dash 1 dash something like that. But that address and you both are different. Same like that. Here x is equal to 10 is different, and p value nothing but address of x both are different. This address of x, it is in hexadecimal values, hexadecimal number system. Got it? Now we will check what will be the output. Okay, you people tell me. Printf percentage d. Okay, x printf percentage d. Yes, tell me here what it prints in the place of x value. What it print? S Raja Trikarna.
10.
Very good. 10. It prints 10. Okay. It prints 10. Here, what it prints? It prints address of x. Because it is a p, right? P is nothing but address of x. So it print address of x or address of 10. You can call it the address of 10. Any doubt here? किसी को कुछ doubt है बेटा? Okay. Now tell me here what it will print. It prints S star P. S, tell me beta. Star P, what it prints?
Data type.
No. Star P. Star, just now I told you. Star. Okay. Pointer declaration. Okay. Star P. If you use P, it will print address of variable. But if you are using star, it is nothing but value. It prints 10. Got it? It prints 10. Okay. Now tell me what it will print. S. Here address of X. What is address of X? P. Okay. So P, it prints address of 10. So this also prints address of 10 value 10. Any doubt here? Okay, now tell me star address of X. Now tell me what it will print. Star address of X. आज कौन कौन absent है? Biswa, Trikanna, Raja, Rahul and Sarita, right? Raja, tell me, if I use this one, what it will print? It prints S. What it will print? This is address of X. If you are using star, it means it is the value of
10, sir.
it prints 10 only. Yeah. If you are using star means it is the value. If you are using ampersand means it is the address. Okay. It is nothing but the value which stores in this address, which is nothing but 10. Very good. Printf percentage D. Okay. Ampersand P. This one, what it will print?
Address.
Yes, address of X of 10. No, address of P. Because P also have some address. Okay, it is called chain system. Address of address of address. Okay, P is nothing but address of X. This is nothing but address of P. Again, if you are using one more address, that is the address of address of address. Because everything should be stored in the memory. Okay, address of P. It means address of the address. Got it? Okay, any doubt here? Okay. This is the thing, Amma. Okay, this is the main concept of pointers. Pointers is nothing but it is the address or location of a variable. It may be variable or it may be array element. Okay, variable is anything, integer, float, character, string, anything. Okay, now write down the notes. Is it clear, everyone? Trikanna, Biswa, Rahul, Sarita, Raja. Okay, write down the notes, Amma.
Scroll down, sir. Scroll down, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed? Everyone. Okay. त्रिकर्णा बिस्वा राजा कंप्लीटेड आपका?
Complete.
ओके. Now, okay, we have so many pointers, wide pointer, these pointers. Okay, so many programs. Okay, same depend. It prints only value and address and pointer and everything. Okay, you can do that. Okay, and the main concept is call by value. Here in pointers we have call by value and call by reference. We have two concepts: call by value and call by reference. Okay. Call by value. I will explain what is call by value and we will write a program on call by value. X comma y. We have two values x comma y. In x we have 20 and in y we have 30. X is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. In f, okay, you can use next line, you can use t. T means tab. Value of a and b before function calling. We have a concept function. I will explain there. Okay, but before you can understand what is call by value here. A comma b. Okay, call by value. Okay, here value of a and b before function call. What is that? X and okay. It will print okay 20 and 30. It will print 20 and 30. It prints 20 and 30. Here you have one function, some function we can call it is a okay. The function name is fncn. The function name is fncn. Okay, we have so many functions, different function, add function, subtraction function, power function. Okay, user defined function means we define. Okay, okay, we have one function concept there. I will explain. Okay, why we are taking as a parameters also. Okay, when you are taking x comma y, I will explain the thing. Value of a and b after after function call. A comma b. Okay, a comma b. Okay, here we have function What is the function name we have? P comma Q. Int P comma Q bracket open, P is equal to P plus P, Q is equal to Q plus Q, or else you can write down. Yeah. Okay, you see, when you enter just values, okay, it is called by value. It is say, you can say it is a call by value. Okay, when you simply write down x comma y, okay, it is nothing but call by value. Call by value, I will explain the program. See here, I am declaring two variables x comma y. What is the x value? 20. What is the y value? 30. So it prints function before calling. It prints 20 and 30. After we have here one function. Okay, I will deeply explain in the function concept what is function and where we declare and where we define. Okay, here in this function we have two variables. We are passing two variables x and y. What is x? 20. What is y? 30. Okay, so we are passing 20 and 30. Okay, now it will come out where it defines. This function defines after the main program. This function fncn defined after the main program. So it come out from here. And what are the parameter here? P comma q. You can give anything. You can give x comma y. You can give a comma b, whatever maybe. Okay, but it will store the x value and y value. What is the x value? 20. What is the x value? 20. What is the y value? 30. So now onwards, the p value act as the x, which is nothing but 20. So now p is nothing but 20, and this q act as a y value. What is y value? 30. So x y is equal to 30 now. You got it? Here we are taking x comma y variable. Here we are taking p comma q variable. Okay, both are same. Okay, here x value is 20, so it will now p value. Here the value is 30. Here now q value is 30. Okay, now here p is equal to p plus p. P is equal to p plus p, which is nothing but 20 plus 20, which is nothing but it will print 40. Okay, q value. What is q value? Q plus q. Here what is the q value? 30. So 30 plus 30. So q is nothing but 60. Now p value become 40. Q value will become 60. Got it? Now after completion of this function execution, okay, it will check the next statement. After function, what is the next statement? Printf. It will say printf. Printf the value of a and b after function call. Okay, which is nothing but a comma b. Okay, now tell me what it will print here. Okay, okay, so tell me what it prints. Value of a function after function call. So now it changes the x value and y value. Okay. Now what is the p value? 40. What is the q value? 60. But here I want to print the value of x and y. The value of x and y. It is still the same. It prints 20 and 30. It will print 20 and 30 only. Okay. You got it? Okay. Here I am calling a function f and cn with x comma y parameter. What is x? 20. What is y? 30. Okay. Here after that it will it is called function definition beta. It is called function definition. Okay. Here parameter are p comma q, which is nothing but x comma y only. So now onwards p is 20, q is 30, and we are doing some calculations. P is equal to p plus p and q is equal to q plus q. So which is nothing but 20 plus 20. So p value is 40 and q is q plus q, nothing but 30 plus 30, 60. So p is 40, q is 60. Is it affect x value and y value? Is it affect x value and y value? No. Still x value is 20 and y value is 30. Still x value is 20 and y value is 30. So the value of x and y, value of x and y after function call is same, 20 and 30 only. Okay, it does not change any value. It is called call by value. This function f and cn, it call by using the values x and y. What are the x and y? 20 and 30. That's why it does not change the values of x and y after calling. Still it is 20 and 30. But if you are using address of x and address of y, then it may be changed. Okay, that is call by reference. If you call any function by using address of the values, then it is called call by reference. If you call any function by just values, then it is called call by value. Call by value. Here we are calling only just 20 comma 30. So that's why it does not change the values of x and y. Okay. After this I will explain call by reference. Any doubt here? Could doubt hai? Call by value. Okay, write down this call by value. Next I will explain call by reference.
Completed, sir.
Completed? Very good.
Oh, yes, sir.
Here we can write, okay, note the function. We have big topic function, okay. Here what is the function we are calling? FNCN. It is a function, okay. The function which is called. Why? Because we are calling this function in our main program. We are calling this function in our main program. FNCN function. The function which is called by value. Here we are calling this function by x comma y. X comma y are value 20 comma 30. Okay. The function which is called by value cannot change. Cannot change the values of the variables. Okay. Used in the call. This is important. Okay. Okay. The function which is called by value, because I am calling this FNCN function by values x comma y 20 and 30. This function cannot change the values of the variables. Means it cannot change x value and y value. Still x value is 20 and y value is 30. It is not 40 and 60. Okay, why? Because now x value act as a p, y value act as a q. So if p value is 40, it doesn't mean that x value will become 40. If q value is 60 here, it doesn't mean that y value is 60. Got it? Okay. Still x and y values are 20 and 30 only. Why? Because I am calling this function by value x comma y. So it cannot change the values of variables which we are used in the called. Got it? Any doubt here? Okay, very good. Okay, write down these notes. Tomorrow I will explain call by reference. Tomorrow I will explain call by reference. Got it? Okay, write down these notes. It is important. In the interview they will ask, if you call a function by value, what will happen? It does not change the values of that variables used in the call. Any doubt here? कुछ डाउट है? Write down this note. Tomorrow I will explain call by reference.
Completed, sir.
Completed? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Tomorrow I will explain call by reference. Okay. Any doubt? राहुल
No,
कल
sir.
क्यों अटेंड नहीं करे आप? Rahul yesterday absent. Okay. Trikanna, any doubts? Raja,
No more, sir.
which one is better? This one or Zoom?
I think Zoom, sir.
Zoom is better.
It's huge data consuming is this app.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This app is more
Zo-
data consuming.
What?
More data consuming, sir.
Okay, Zoom is better.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But every time it will take 40 minutes, and the more the and one more thing is, I couldn't able to send that recorded sessions.
Okay, okay. No